The state is trying to make the death penalty an option for people who do bad things to children. You know what bad thing? Bad thing so bad you can't even say the bad thing on social media apps or they won't show anybody your video. Here's the story. Let's go to Alabama. Leaders in that state met this week to discuss a new law that would allow prosecutors to seek the death penalty in some child assault cases. The state would be among several in the U.S. to recently pass a similar law. Quote, I believe that there's a special place in hell for child predators. When we pass this bill and when it is approved by the courts, there is going to be a special place in Alabama for child predators, and that is on death row, said Alabama Senator April Weaver. Hell yeah. After a child trafficking ring was uncovered in Bibb County, lawmakers gathered at the Alabama statehouse to talk about a more severe punishment for those charged in SA of a young child. Quote, I defy anyone, anywhere, with any conscience or any sense of morals to look at this case and others like it and argue that the death penalty is not appropriate, Weaver said. Stealing the innocence of a child, destroying their future before they even have a chance to live, subjecting them to that kind of pain, that kind of torture, let me make sure I read this right, I'm sorry. Subjecting them to the kind of pain and torture that few among us can even comprehend. The child ring was discovered to be in an underground storm shelter in Bibb County. So far, 7 suspects have been arrested with charges including human trafficking, rape, and sodomy of a child ages 3 to 15. I hope they all rot in hell. Lynn Hammock with the Russell County Child Advocacy Center says if the proposed bill were to pass, she would support predators being punished. However, she also has concerns that it may add another level of emotional and mental harm for the child. Quote, you've got family members who want the death penalty, but you've also got a child that will have to deal with the fact that they caused this person to be put to death because they told. No. Do not tell the child that shit. Do never tell them that they're the cause. The evil predator, they're the cause. They got themselves put on death row. Don't put that shit on the child. I don't have to read any more of this. Hell yeah, Alabama. Roll damn tide all the way to death row for these sick bastards.